Good morning, traders. My name is Will from C&E Stocks. I've got a pre-market plan video here. I've got one stock idea and one ETF idea, and also we're going to talk about the SPX just a little bit just to confirm the overall trend and my overall perception on the market this week. So, without further ado, let's start our SPX overlook. So, Friday session, very bearish candle, absolutely no bottom wick at all. So buyers did not step up on Friday. However, Monday, which was yesterday, we saw an opening gap up. The stock gapped up from the lows of Friday session, meaning anyone who basically shorted past this area right here has already either covered their shorts or is basically just waiting for the stock to go down again, and they're just going to be sitting under the water for a very long time, which potentially could lead to more fuel on the fire as the stock continues, or in my opinion, it will continue to rally higher today and tomorrow, at least until this open little range comes to an end, right? So we'll just break it down quickly on the 15-minute chart. You'll see what I mean. So basically, we are trading in a small little range right now. We've got the high of the range at 3736, and low obviously around this 3588 level. So we're pretty dead center of this range. Dead center is probably around 3670. So I think we are bullish. Obviously, we have taken out this previous pivotal higher lower high, and now we've formed a higher high, or at least we formed a higher high here and then a higher low, and now we've actually broke the overall intraday trend, or this intraday and weekly trend, leading to or at least many bullish investors like myself, bullish traders, to suspect this move to go a little bit more higher and at least test this upper range. Just want to remember, guys, that there is this opening gap level. Opening gap levels do tend to actually hold as well. So just make sure to look for this 3720 level if you are trading SPX today. And then obviously, if we do go past these levels, I'll be looking for this level to close the gap, which is just around this 3750 level, which is pretty ideal, as it is quite a key psych level on this SPX ETF. So that is it for SPX. So let's go on to my first idea. First idea is SPY. This is the ETF. You guys should all be familiar with SPY. Really liking the intraday trend here. Quite a similar setup to SPX, but obviously this costs a lot less. It's just and there's always a lot of eyes on SPY as well. So basically, I'm going to be bullish over 36597, as you can see on the screen here. Profit targets for this one are 370.59 and 373.45. As you can see, this 365.97 level is just here, this black line, which literally says support on it. I've labelled it for you guys. So anything, if we open above this level today, I'll be bullish. Even if we open up flat, I'll be bullish, because I do think we are going to keep on going. Now, my stop loss on this trade would probably be around down here, or at least past this 360, as I am going to be playing the longer term picture. Well, not the long term, but maybe like the weekly to 2 week hold picture, because I do think we will probably end up seeing something a little bit like this. I'll get my path. Perhaps it's something what chugs along. Like, I do think that we will start reversing here. The market's super oversold. I think too many buyers or too many traders are too bearish on the market right now. So that is why I suspect this sort of move. Not going to say that it's going to explode upwards, just like I've pointed out in this arrow. But for the sake of it, that is basically what I'm trying to look for going into the new week and the new month of October. October is statistically the best performing month for tech stocks as well. So just want to make note of that. So that's my long idea. That's my long idea for being long bias. Now, obviously, if the stock is gapping down or is shortable, I will not short the trade until this $360 level is hit. Now, below that, I'm looking for 358, which is basically just down here, just below, literally where my mouse is right here. And then obviously 355 just below that, which is another key daily level for the SPY. But if it does not break 360, I will not be shorting. I just want to make that one really clear. So that is it for SPY. My next idea, of course, is AMD. I absolutely love AMD right now, guys. It is such a fun ticker to trade. It trades so so simply. It's just very, very easy to read. There's not a lot of chop, which I really, really enjoy. And most of the consolidations are very, very tight. So it's pretty good. So basically, I've said bullish start on a month. Obviously, we saw a very, very bullish candle from yesterday's print. So if I go on the daily quickly, this is the October candle, or at least the first October candle, at least, and obviously the first week Monday candle. And if we just look at the daily quickly, we've got a gap up, a gap down from the Thursday to Friday session, and now a gap up from the Friday to Monday session. So basically, we are seeing an abandoned baby right now. Now, this is a candlestick pattern. Sorry, this isn't a abandoned baby. This is a morning star, sorry. Getting a little bit confused. Abandoned babies are when there's no wick, and it's just literally on its own. But this is a morning star reversal pattern, and if we hold this this gap, so if we hold this gap right here, right, we can become very, very bullish for a good reversal all the way back up to the $68 level, which I am digging so far today. So if we go back onto the 15-minute chart, just want to talk to you how I'm going to trade this stock. So basically, as I've stated on the PowerPoint, I'm going to be long over 6529, which is this level right here. So if stock gaps up, opens flat, I'll be long on this thing. And above them levels, or above this level, which I will be filling at, I am looking for 67 and then 68.70. So 67 is just this level here, which is the opening gap down. It usually tends to be a support level / resistance when these do come around. So make sure to make note of that. And then obviously just above there, we are looking for this 6870 level, which is the top of the range. So yeah, not really too much to say. I just think this level is going to be a quite hard time breaking. We might see a bit of a rejection for the first time, but if we can kind of get another higher low, maybe something possibly along the lines of this, if I get my drawing. So say, for example, we test this level, we pull back, kind of making a higher low somewhere, and then, you know, we go up from there. That's what I'm kind of looking for. I'm not looking to slice this this level like butter the first time of meeting it. Although that would be pretty good, but it's just, you know, it's quite unlikely. But, you know, anything can happen in the stock market, so got to keep your options open. Now, I have said I will short as well, so if the stock does fall below $65, I will look to go short on AMD, particularly looking for 63.50 and then 62.85, so 63.50 is literally just this level here. That's basically close to the low of this thing, right? And then 62.85 is of course the September lows, so they are the levels we're targeting. I just want to highlight, actually, I forgot to do this. If we make a third profit target for the bearish side at 64.17, now obviously this level's from the gap, which we literally just talked about from the Thursday to Friday session. So we are looking to target this 64.26 level if 65, or if the candle opens below $65, basically. Bearish PT, I was meant to write, my bad. Right, so they are my two ideas. We've got SPY and AMD. Now remember, if you are looking to join a alert service, which is completely free, we've got a link in our bio to our Discord. We've got a chat room, stop bot access, and a few other bits and bobs on there. More so, we've got a lot of education on there as well. So if you are interested in looking at some strategies like supply and demand, then obviously you can jump on our Discord and have a quick little glance and see what you think. Right, so that's basically it for this video. Hope you liked the pre-market plan. I will be uploading 4 of these per week. On Monday, I'm usually running errands all day, so I can't do them on Mondays. But we'll see how it goes, of course. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you in tomorrow's pre-market plan.